Change It. Solid, Liquids, Gases, and You. Written by Adrian Mason. Illustrated by Claudia De Villa. Change It. Solids, Liquids, Gases, and You. The table of contents. Matter around you. Matter is all around you. You are matter. A toy boat is matter. And water is matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. Matter could be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. These bubbles are matter. They are filled with gas. What's a solid? Solids have their own shape. Rocks are solids. Hats and skipping ropes are solids too. Solids don't change shape easily. You can stretch a skipping rope, but when you let it go, it takes its own shape again. Can you find 3 more solid objects in the picture? Some solids change shape when you push or pull on them. Change its shape. So here is Play-Doh is a kind of solid. If you change its shape, it is still a solid. Make some and see. So you can pause the video here and then you can read all the directions on how to make the dough. What's a liquid? A liquid has no shape of its own. Liquids change shape easily. Liquids also flow. When you pour a liquid into a container, it takes the shape of the container, a glass, a bottle, or a bucket. How many liquids can you find in this picture? Water will flow everywhere unless I catch it in a container. So again, you can pause the video and then find all the liquids. Pour it in. Can your friend guess which container holds more liquid? Find out. Again, you can pause the video here, read through the directions, and have a guessing game with your friends. What's a gas? Gas is all around you, even if you can't see it. The air you breathe in and blow out is a gas. A gas has no shape of its own. Gases spread out to fill their container. A bubble, a bicycle tire, or even a room. On a windy day, the air moves very fast. Can you fill a balloon without blowing air into it? Try this. So again, you can pause this video and read through the directions and try to fill up a balloon without blowing it up. Freezing and melting. Solids can change into liquids when they warm up. When a solid snowflake lands on your warm tongue, it melts and changes into liquid water. Liquids can change into solids when they cool down. Because it's cold out, the water in this pond has frozen into ice. These solid marshmallows melt in the hot cocoa. Cool it. How can liquids and solids combine to make ice cream? Try this to find out. Again, you can pause the video and read through the ice cream experiment and make ice cream in a bag. Wonderful water. After it rains, there are puddles, but puddles soon dry up. The warmth of the sun makes liquid water change into a gas. This gas is called water vapor. Water can be a liquid, a solid, or a gas. Can you find all 3 in this picture? So you got to find the solid, the liquid, and the gas water. Paint with salt. How could you make a picture by painting with salty water? Try this to find out. Again, you can pause the video here, read through the directions, and make a salt water painting. Mixing matter. You can combine solids and liquids to make something new. When you bake a cake, you mix together eggs and milk, liquids, with flour, sugar, and butter, solids. When you put the mixture into a hot oven, gas bubbles form. This gas makes the batter rise so you get a fluffy cake. The tiny holes in this cake are made by bubbles of gas. Solids, liquids, and gases. Matter is anything that takes up space. Matter can be a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Solids don't change shape easily. They have to be pushed or pulled, heated or cooled. Liquids can flow. They take the shape of the container they are in. Gases have no shape. They spread out to fill the spaces they are in. And then here's for parents and teachers. If you want to read about the experiments on those pages, you can pause